Hey team, why don't we first just go through and tell us all your names.
I'm Ben.
I'm Aiden.
Chance.
Ethan.
I'm Justice.
Okay, welcome. So what's your team name?
Yeah, we are the GitClub.
Was there any particular reason why you chose that name?
So we're all in the same school club, so that's just the name of the school club.
Oh yeah, okay, makes sense. What's the name of your app that you've developed?
I believe it's called
ChareStore.
ChareStore?
There. Don't mind the spelling.
Okay.
It has one of the spellings of all time.
Okay.
Quite.
So what does your app do?
It's okay. So our app is a online market where as you buy things from the market, you earn these points called tokens, which you can use to actually make the app give money to any charity you want.
So I guess how do you think that your app meets the theme of making a change?
The most basic way possible, which is we give money to charities and they get to make the change.
Yeah, it's really just like it lets you donate in amounts that you previously maybe wouldn't have before because you've just been basically given free money to donate.
Yes, we are literally making change.
Was there any particular reason why you chose this idea as your app idea?
I think it was just the first one we came up with.
Yeah, and some others, but really I think this was the best one. The other ones were not very good.
So what would you say were some of your good memories from this season of Game of Apps?
Mine are, I think they're either the learning basic Java with the replit, that was quite fun, or if not that, it was definitely, it was like just a collaborative experience of like finally getting to work with multiple coders in a project.
That's a cool thing to have, yeah, when you, like I've not really worked on a proper dev team before, and it was like, hey, you get to do coding with multiple different people who also like coding and do that, so that was a cool experience.
Yeah, it can be pretty fun. Anything from the other two of you?
Pretty much the same thing. I've worked on small projects before, but they're usually like 1 or 2 day contest things. So working on a bit more of a long-term thing has been very interesting.
Yeah, and I haven't really done a full-on like large project like this before, so that was really exciting to do.
So I guess this is a big question. So why should someone vote for your team?
Because our name, it's like GitHub, but GitClub, get it?
You get it? It's funny. It's a joke. Laugh at the joke. Come on.
Yeah.
Hey, we have hash maps.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does sound like a decent reason to vote for it.
I mean, it's kind of hard to say because at the end of the day, it's a charity app. I mean, there's plenty of moral reasons to donate to charity, I guess. And you also get to buy stuff while doing so. So it's kind of a win-win for both parties.
Yeah. You want an app that fits the theme, making a change? We're literally just making people have a change to donate to charity. It's great.
Yeah.
Okay. Was there anything else you wanted to tell us or the audience before the championships?
Yeah, we didn't think about the other thing we incorporate, which are tasks. Other easy ways to earn tokens to donate to charities.
Other ways to make change. Ooh.
Yeah, so those are cool in case you don't have a lot of money that you can frequently spend on miscellaneous objects. You just kind of log in every day, do a few things, and you're going to get some amount of tokens that you can use to donate to charity too.
Okay, sounds good.
Well, for our app, it'd be funny.
Yeah. All right, so if there's nothing else, look forward to seeing your app at the championships, and good luck.